Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is about the information and solution of MAP engineering. MAP stands for Mechanical, Electrical and Plumbing work. Today our video is about LGAC error code CH02 or E1. So today we will discuss this error. Why this error will come. This all we will discuss today in this video. Let's come to the topic. Troubleshooting a CH02 or E1 error code on an LG room air conditioner. CH02 and E1 error code means your indoor coil sensor got short circuit or wire is broken. So in this case what you have to do, unplug the unit to discharge the power from the unit. When you unplug the power, you have to wait for 2 minutes. When wait for 2 minutes for the power to discharge completely. After that you have to plug back the unit. After that your unit will be work normally, but if it can't fix your problem, then you need to bring a qualified technician regarding LGAC maintenance to fix the issue. For your air conditioner, it may require to change the indoor coil sensor of your split air conditioner. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for further more informative and technical videos. Thank you very much.